The tutorial of purple flower bracelet. Purple eye-shaped rhinestones. 3 mm pearl. 2.5 mm bead. 2 mm gold bead. Opening ring. Buckle. Crimp bead. Loop, extension, chain. Add a crimp bead to the middle of the line. Flathead it. Add buckle. Clamp buckle. Add 2 spacer bead. 2 lines cross 1 seed bead. Add 2 spacer beads. Add 2 pearls. Add rhinestones like this. 2 lines cross 1 seed bead. Add rhinestones like this. 2 lines cross 1 2.5 mm bead. Add 2 2.5 mm bead. Add 2 pearls. Add 2 rhinestones like this. 2 lines cross 1 seed bead.
Weave magic one thread at a time. A symphony.
Repeat the steps until you get the desired length.
A dance of beads on this crafting night.
Add buckle. Add crimp bead. Clamp buckle. Finally, use the opening ring to connect. Buckle and loop chain are completed.